What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Ika, Mario, and Graham. This is the Philippines versus Australia preview. We did the one post-game recap for New Zealand. And yung mga gusto makinig doon, it's on our YouTube and Spotify. And not gonna lie, guys, let's go straight to the point. No? But before that, join the Facebook group, 6-Man Podcast, /benchmob. But yun nga, no, this game, sobrang kinakabahan ako. Kasi late ko lang rin na-realize na, sabi ko to kay Mario, Bryce Cotton is playing. Tyrese Proctor is playing, promising rookie for the Cleveland Cavaliers. And not just those two. This Australian team is stronger than the Pepper-led one when they came here to the Philippines.
Yeah.
By far, you know. Mario said na by far this is the better Australian team that went compared to the one that we faced last time around. And this Australian team won 124-52 against Guam. So,
Bad
So,
game
yeah.
pa si Bryce dun
bad game pa si Bryce dun. And
bad
hindi
game.
siya binabad. 18 minutes lang si
18 minutes
Bryce.
lang siya dun. 18 minutes lang siya dun.
And he was a plus 25 in those 18 minutes. So using Graham's logic, kung nag-36 minutes si Bryce Cotton, 50 pa. Actually more than... Dude, everyone's the biggest plus here for Australia, plus 43. And that goes to Tyrese Proctor. Playing 21 minutes only. And he was a plus 43. So,
let's get into it.
Yeah, let's go straight to the Australia
before
lineup.
we do that,
Yeah,
if you're the type of fan who wants us to blindly say na Gilas is gonna win and blindly support Gilas and say na we're at the same level as Australia and you can't take any criticism, please just
the video.
skip the video. Okay? I don't care if it removes views, but if you cannot,
I'm pretty sure, brother. I'm pretty sure this is not the first video they skipped.
Di ko alam, bro. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is getting so frustrating. Kung di kayo marunong, ito tinagalog ko na. Kung di kayo marunong magtanggap ng criticism regarding your favorite team, your favorite player. Si Graham favorite player na si Justin Brownlee. He literally has a tattoo of Justin Brownlee's head on his body. And he'll never show you guys. But then he has a whole ass tattoo of Justin Brownlee on his body. Kung di kayo marunong tumanggap ng criticism about your favorite player or about your favorite team or about your national team, man, you're the worst type of fan, if in my genuine opinion. You know, in the last video we had we recorded about New Zealand and the Gilas game. Man, I don't know what got into some of you. Na I'll be real, the group page after that game was so toxic. Like, it was toxic as hell there. I was like, what the hell's happening right now? Again, you know, if you don't know how to take criticism, if puro ka lang gusto mag-away, man, skip the videos. I don't, Nico and Graham don't mind, I'm assuming, right, guys?
Do you know what was it? I don't read.
Like, y'all, just skip it
Pero,
if you guys don't know how to take
aminin ng
criticism.
iba na it got kind of toxic. I mean, not all pages, not just ours, all pages. I mean, after every Gilas now, we're very passionate naman when it comes to that. No.
But anyway, going back to the whole point of the video, sorry, my bad. I just had to let everybody know na about that. Brother, all honesty, this is the best. This is a very strong. This is not even the best Australia team, right? This is team B. I think you still count this as team B kasi wala
Team B
pa
na to, itong sina Tyrese Proctor, Bryce. Pero they can make it in Team A. They're good.
Sila Bryce and Proctor, McVeigh, yung mga yan, Team A, pati si
How
Mitch
about Mitch Creek? Mitch
Creek.
Creek is Team A. I
Yeah,
remember
Creek is
Mitch
Team
Creek.
A. Pero, syempre, walang Giddy, walang Patty Mills, walang Dyson Daniels,
I'll
walang
share my
Tybo.
screen na lang dun sa ano sinend mo sa akin.
Ben Simmons is busy fishing.
Yeah, Ben Simmons is, playing basketball somewhere. So, this isn't, still hindi pa rin tong team, this isn't Team A. And, thank God it's not Team A. Because, kung Team A yan, yung Guam game, di ba, ano yun, 124-52, baka ano na yun.
120, ano. Oo, yan ka na naman, ha?
Baka 210-30 yun. But this is a very strong Australian team.
Let's first discuss, Mario, paulit-ulit natin sila sabi. There are two main noticeable guys. Proctor and Bryce Cotton.
Number one, Tyrese Proctor is the NBA prospect of this Australian team. This one in particular, young guy, um, Kentucky or Duke. I forgot which one he was. He played in
Duke.
Kentucky or
He was
Duke. He
in
played.
He's
Then he went to
a
Cleveland.
sa Blue Devil, man.
Duke. Yeah, Duke.
he's a
Yeah.
Dookie.
Kakampi niya si Knuckle and si
Si
Cooper Flag.
Conflag, Cooper Flag.
Oof, ginawa mo naman siyang wife ni
KKK.
Cooper. Ginawa mo naman.
The clan.
That's
Anyway.
crazy, man.
Um,
Yeah, go ahead.
But, bro, it's in all honesty, malakas yung lineup talaga ng Australia. Tyrese Proctor is probably the most potent offensive talent. Kasi nga NBA player yun eh. Yun yung legit na NBA player na um, he gets minutes in Cleveland but then not a lot. Pero alam mo yun, like, di siya patapon na player. 'Di ba? And then of course, Bryce Cotton. Bryce Cotton's the best player I think Australia has ever seen who played in the Australian NBL. If I'm saying that. I would say he's the best player na import. Bryce is an import in this lineup, by the way.
She's the naturalized
Kasi ano
guy.
siya, American-Australian siya. Dahil ganun ba?
Isn't he just American?
Alam ko naturalized si...
Well, dahil
Naturalized player siya. Naturalized player.
Yeah.
Alam ko naturalized player siya.
Oh, yeah.
So, man, yung dalawang yan pa lang, sobrang mahihirapan na yung Gilas. Mahihirapan. Like, let's be real. Nahirapan tayo kay Shea Ely and Ty Webster. Bro, Bryce Cotton is double the offensive talent na those two are. Tyrese Proctor's maybe triple. I don't like saying na maaga pa lang talo na tayo. Kasi bilog ang bola. We saw it sa New Zealand game, diba? We said, Graham and I and Nico said na it will be like a blowout, 10 to 12 points, and you guys wouldn't let us forget that. And it ended up being a close game. Ito, I will say na I believe it will be a blowout. This one, I don't think will be close.
25 to 30, ganun.
Maybe, man. Ang lakas talaga ng lineup na to eh. Like, sobrang lakas talaga ng lineup na to. We've only talked about two guys. Then I'll let you guys talk
Wala
about
pa
the
yung
two.
iba. Wala pa yung
I've only
ibang
talked
team
about
A.
two dudes on this, man. And you know, Jack McVay is a killer. Josh Bannon is bigger than everybody on our team except Junmar. Keanu Pinder plays in Japan. Okwera is bigger than everyone. Mitch Creek is Mitch Creek. You don't leave
David
Angus.
Okwera.
He
Sigo
plays
lang.
he plays for Perth. Perth Wildcats yan.
Oh, his Perth.
Yeah. Then Mitch Creek is Mitch Creek. Brother, it's just such
6'7 lang pero 3 and D talaga to si Okwera though.
Anyway, he's just so talented. They're so talented. Na I will say it for the third video in a row. Get these dudes out of FIBA Asia.
Get this dude.
I know.
There you go, all
There was this
in or
guy,
you-
may nag-comment, sabi niya na the federation
Get this dude out of here.
ng Australia plays in Asia. Cool. I get it. That's fine, man. I do not care. I don't believe Australia should be in this region, man. They're their own
Coach Yang
continent.
said so. Even
They
Coach
are their
Yang said so.
Continent, man.
Well, dito
They are
sila
their own-
Glover, bro. My God, yung mga
Glover,
three-pointers
shooter
sila.
naman si Glover.
Yung mga strip, 24 of 51.
Yeah.
Oh my
Bro, it's just I'm gonna have fun. Alam mo, dapat drinking game yung yung mga games na ganyan, yung Gilas versus Australia.
Ano yung drink? Every time they have a
Dapat drinking
three-pointer?
game yun eh. Every time they go under a screen for an open three-pointer. Every offensive rebound, take a shot. Every wide open three, you take a shot. Ano pa ba?
Wide open 3 na lang. Wide open.
Wide open three, yun. May laro na kayo, guys. By the way, I'll say it na lang at the end. Malakas talaga. I don't want to delve into each player again because, you know, it's just, I hate that they're here.
I don't like them
really
also.
hate that they're here. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I really hate that they're here. I know na it exposes us to better talents. And that's the pro. That's the pro I see in this na it exposes
We're forced to keep up. We're forced to keep up.
with this level talent. And that's a good thing. But no one's been keeping up with them. No,
No.
no one has, no one will.
I
In
think they're a
Asia,
top 5 team in the world, right, Mario?
I
Australia,
think so.
Yung
basketball.
team A nila, yung nasa Olympics.
Bro, there's number freaking 6 in the
6.
world.
Oh man, we were wrong by one.
They're
Oh, yeah.
better
Well,
than
whatever. They're
Spain.
top 10.
Wow.
Yeah,
They're better than
yeah.
Spain.
Latvia fell na the 13 na. Pero still beat Latvia when they were 5.
Why is Serbia so high?
Jokic!
Yeah, but
And-
that's not based on
No,
players,
hindi, bro.
man. That's
Malupit
based on
talaga
like
yung mga
The
shooter
points,
na sila,
they play well in the
Bogdanovic.
tournaments.
Yeah, sila Bogdanovic.
yeah,
sila
Bogdanovic,
Teodosic, ganun.
Marjanovic. Yeah, you're right. And yeah, you're right.
Ano ba was the Teodosic? I don't know if Teodosic is still there.
Teodosic is Serbian. Yeah,
He's
you're right.
old na, bro.
Milos.
Wala na.
Si
Oo,
Milos.
si Milos. Malulupit talaga yung... Bro, muntik na talunin yung US, di ba, nung sa Olympics.
Yeah,
They were
muntik.
Oo
up
nga
by,
pala,
what,
yeah,
16?
you're right.
Muntikan
You're
na.
so right.
Something like that.
Sila Milutinov. I remember that.
Oo, di ba, kung di lang nidid ni Steph and Bron yung comeback na yun. But anyway,
Kakainis talaga to Australia. Zone rank 1. Ilan lang tayo sa zone.
Zone rank 1. Talagang zone rank 1.
Oh, anyway.
Come on, man. What are we doing? Yeah. I get it na people say na they've been here for 10 years and Australia is in playing football here. Australia even plays sa they even play sa AVC Cup ng volleyball. They play in that also.
yeah, tinalo pa nga tayo sa volleyball eh.
Pero di ba dapat we got their number before? Natatalo
Yeah.
natin sila.
Bro, syempre, yung mga pinapadala kasi nila doon, high schoolers eh.
Ah,
That's their high school college roster, man. That's not their real.
talaga? Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bata
No
pa
one
yun,
gives
bro,
a flying
yung mga
shit
player
about the
nila.
AVC Cup except for,
So parang Jones Cup lang nila yun.
Oo, men. Oo, men. Parang ganun. I think that's a good way of explaining it. Or I could be wrong. Pero alam ko, high school team lang.
Ayoko na dagdag yung sinabi mo, man. I work for the ABC sometimes.
You did?
Yeah, I do cover ABC.
No, the ABC is, wait lang, let me backtrack a little bit.
it's fine.
The ABC is a good tournament. Pero yung Australia, sa alam ko, they really don't send out their best talent there.
No, they don't. Hindi, kahit yung Korea nga minsan eh. But anyway.
Yeah, alam ko kasi
Australia-
medyo training ground yun kasi for most of them eh.
Yeah. Looks like, and they're not into volleyball that much. Yung
Yeah.
Australia. They're not really a big volleyball country. But anyway, you're right, man. You know, I'll be that guy. We're losing big time to these guys. It's hard to game plan against people who are just better than you. For example, etong si Angus Glover. I looked up his game. But this guy's a deadly shooter.
Yeah, lahat sila actually. Lahat
Eight.
sila.
This guy had an 8 three-pointer game sa NBL. Like, he's just very...
Oh, he had 5 in Guam with 14 minutes by the way.
See?
Grabe to, 15 minutes, 5 threes, plus 40.
Bro, walang yan. Hindi yan yung yung parang, libre lang ako. Yung mga 5 steps
Contested
behind the
talaga.
three-point line, titirahan ka niya, bro. Wala siyang pake. He's like,
Pasalamat yun, wala nang wala pang, what's his name? Ano pangalan nun? Yung kupal na yun eh. May kupal na taga-Australia, ang pangalan niya. Is Chris Golding.
Si Chris, wala.
Si Chris. Wala na
Man,
yun. Man.
yung Chris Golding, yun yung basta.
Kupal yun, di ba? Kupal yun si Chris
Sobra.
Golding.
Yeah. Pero man, ang lupit niyang Angus Glover na yan. Ang 3-pointer talagang
Tunga.
bastos yan.
Lefty
Tingnan mo
na,
mga
ba?
3-pointer.
Alam mo,
Diba?
that's the funniest part. You know, Angus Glover in this lineup isn't the first option. He is the fourth.
That fourth,
Yeah,
third,
he's,
di ba?
He's the fourth in this lineup, if I'm
He's,
being honest.
he's Ruben Terangi in this na yun.
Oh my, don't you dare bring up that name. Don't you
Ruben
dare.
Terangi.
You know.
Another player, man. Yung Alex Condon. Nasa NCAA yan nasa Florida. I was looking up his yung stats niya kanina. He's a 50-40 guy.
Wala na ba siya?
You know,
Ay, di ko pwede i-play ito, ma-copyright tayo pag NCAA.
Yeah.
Pero pag
But
NBL, hindi.
NBL hindi.
Oh,
They
man,
need
nasa
they need the
sa
extra
Florida yan, eh.
ice.
Nag-champion yan the year before. I don't know kung sino nag-champion nga, I forgot. Pero the year before, it was Florida, di ba, in 2025. He was a big part of that team. And beware, Alex Condon, like, the Phoenix Fuel Masters are seriously considering you as an import. You know they love those names like BJ Johnson, James Dickey, Alex
You were
Condon.
one letter away.
Yeah, you're on the radar, man. Like,
You were one letter away.
you better be... Pero be careful. Tapos last naman, I don't know if yung si Rain Smith,
He's
yung
okay.
galing Louisville. He's okay, but he's also a good 3-point shooter. So,
So lahat sila actually, lahat sila. Diba itong Bryce Cotton na to, brother?
Bryce Colton man,
53 points.
53
Bah!
points against better competition. Like, pag pinaglaro yan ng regular minutes against sa atin, baka mag 60 points yan si Bryce Colton. I mean, no offense to our guys. Like, I love most
Oh
of
my
them, you know.
God. Di ba nag-NBA to, Mario? Si Bryce Cotton
Like
for...
a year.
Yeah.
Lala niya ni Bryce Cotton, man. And to think, you have to think about, baka hindi na nga siya yung best player in that Australia
Oh
team,
my
di ba?
God.
Baka si Proctor na eh. Kasi Proctor is
NBA
is
talent
playing.
talaga. Yeah.
Oo, di ba? I mean, if Cotton
One
is
of the
talent,
key
Proctor
rookies
is.
ng Cavaliers. Well, sophomore na siya
Yeah.
heading to this season.
Yeah, but he was good at Duke din naman when he was there. So, ang hirap mag-game plan against that, man.
Oh, stop showing us these highlights. We're gonna see all of this on Monday, man.
Yeah,
I don't need to see
Pero
more
kung-
of it. I don't need to see more of it.
you have to think about it. If you're a coach, Tim, what's the game plan against these guys?
Have fun.
Dominate.
Have fun. Get the confidence. Padaan kina Carl, KQ, and Juan.
Ito yun ah.
What?
Wait lang.
Bro,
I just wanna make
why are you channeling your inner Russell Westbrook here, man? Like, yeah, win, lose, or draw, have fun.
Win, lose, have fun.
Have fun. Like,
Wait lang ah.
don't remind me of
I
that. disastrous
I just wanna check something. Tama. Okay. If you're Coach Tim, in this scenario, ito yung literal na gawin mong learning thing
Experience.
talaga. Kasi Bryce Cotton is 6 foot tall. Juan is 6'1". RJ is how old? How old? RJ Abariento's height.
Five.
RJ is 5'11". If Bryce Cotton can do this on this level, dapat ganun din sila. Parang ganun. Obviously, they're not gonna be at that same level unless, something happens. Pero, I think it's just learning na, okay, he's a small guy also. Kaya mo rin mag-dominate siguro. He's dominating the game. Kaya mo rin mag-dominate ng ganyan, man. Kung if you train hard enough or whatever and all that. And the same goes for, I don't know, the rest. Carl and KQ. Honestly, I'm just excited again to watch the young guys for the nth time. Like, ito yung... I think we see Balti. I think we see Balti in this one.
Oh yeah, there was no
Dapat naman, man.
Balti
I mean,
no ano no.
Di
New
NC si
Zealand.
June Murph pa yung pinasok. Pero Mario, you're right, no? Dapat yung mentality ni RJ and ni Juan, kaya nila dapat mag-dominate like Bryce Cotton. They can against Ray Suerte. I mean, not against these guys, you know?
What did Ray Suerte do to you?
I mean, first person that came to my mind. Someone from Blackwater, Ray Suerte.
He doesn't even play anymore. But yeah, I think that's just something that you learn na yung mga ganyan. Again, let's be real. Again, let's be so honest ha. In our lifetime, do you really believe the Philippines will beat the USA in a basketball game?
In our lifetime no. Pero feel ko Australia before we die siguro. Isa.
yung FIBA
Real USA ha, not
Oo, hindi yung-
Jones Cup
hindi yung
USA.
Jones Cup.
Real
Oh yeah,
USA.
I'm talking about real USA. I don't think
Like
matatalo natin
Bronny
sila.
James, like Bronny James, USA.
Baka
Team USA.
siguro yung FIBA
Bronny
Americas
James?
team nila. Feel ko in our lifetime matatalo natin. FIBA Americas team na.
But you'd never imagine that we'd beat them, diba? Like the
In
Bronny
Team AA. Like
Oo,
the
hindi,
A
diba?
class. Hindi.
Medyo same. I think about it in the same way. Pag Australia, kalaban, Germany, Australia, Germany, mga ganun, yung mga may NBA talent talaga na malupit. Like, man, it's just nice to be out there with them to learn talaga.
Yung
Kasi-
ano ba, Mario? Yung
Okay.
ginulat natin is Serbia. Was it their Team A?
No, gagi, hindi.
Ginulat natin Serbia. We didn't beat
walang
Serbia.
Jokic,
We beat
walang
Latvia.
Bogdanovic
Diba?
yun.
Serbia, yung
Yung kila
nahirapan
Balti?
sila sa atin, yung kala RJ.
No,
Yeah.
we lost there. We lost there by 4.
He
mga
didn't say
ganun.
he didn't say we won. He didn't say
I
we
know,
won.
yung
I think he said
nagulat
okay.
sila, no,
Ginulat.
marunong palang basketball. Parang ganun siguro yung
Dude.
level.
That was like the team B kasi may Marjanovic, may Teodosic, pero walang Bogdanovic,
Walang Jokic.
walang Jokic, walang Milutinov, walang Filipovic, if I'm saying his name correctly.
I don't know.
Yeah, so it wasn't their strongest lineup. Pero malakas pa rin naman yun. Those are
Oh yes, in
how do I say
Belgrade.
this? Those are really just rare moments if we're being so honest,
Yeah.
okay? Like,
Si Petrusev na yung last na para Team A.
yeah, Petrosev yun.
Wow.
13 minutes lang si
Buong pa
Petrosev.
na 25 pala yung laro na yun.
Yeah, but like, Micic didn't even play pala in that one.
Yeah, Bielitsa didn't play.
Bielitsa,
Remember si
Bielitsa did not
Nemanja? Sacramento
Yeah.
dati, Mario.
Dude, Kalinic shirt there. Nikola Kalinic shirt
Dinakdakan ni
there.
Lebron yan eh. Dinakdakan ni Lebron si Bielitsa.
Yeah.
Nasa bus ako noon, random Saturday morning.
LeBron dunked on him for the Philippines.
Did you bust a nut, Graham? Did he, when he dunked?
Oo
Ayun na.
man po.
Yun yung totoo, like, in our lifetime, I really hope Gilas can compete to this international level. But then, there are some times na talagang kailangan mo matuto. You have to learn from these people. Kasi, man, Tyrese Proctor and Bryce Cotton are international level talents kasi. And outside of JB, Dwight, and Kai, I guess Kai.
Kai is still world-class talent.
Yeah, those are the only ones that sure kang world-class talent yun. Diba? I'd throw in KQ if I'm being honest.
Yeah, Shikiku's getting there. Same for, Carl's starting to get there. But KQ's...
One more good game from Carl, I'll give it. One more good
Because
game from
KQ, nauna siya by a few rounds
Carl.
already.
KQ's been doing he's been a bit better for a while in the international. Yun yung mga yun yung mga sure kang kaya nila sa international. Yun yung mga sinasabi ko. So you really have to learn. And that's fine. Pag pasok ka naman na sa tournament eh. Di ba? So might as well just learn at this point kasi the reality is, and if you don't believe this, go ahead. We are miles away from teams like Australia. We are miles away from it. So to
Actually-
get to that level, you need to learn. Right? It's like
Actually, man, feeling ko, FIBA hates us. Like, nakita nila eh, parang, kaya nyo na palang sumabay sa China, ha? Maglalagay nga kami ng
Maglalagay kami.
Parang, kaya nyo na.
Let me add Aussie.
Imagine mo,
let me
FIBA
put
ganging up on a third world country like the Philippines. No? Mga ganyan logic.
But on a random Tuesday night, mag-upload kami ng video ni Terence Romeo, or Don Don
Actually,
when it's a slow news day,
yung Wimbledon, nakikisabay na rin, by the way.
Yeah. Yung FIFA nga, caption
Yung
nila,
FIFA,
mga
Tagalog.
eh, diba?
Yung Hurricane.
Yeah, di ba? Lahat, man. I mean,
Lahat, di
dami
lang si
ng
Hurricane
Tagalog
eh.
na-
I think that's
Tagalog na.
isn't that per region?
No, bro.
Regional base yan.
Regional based yun.
Talaga?
Regional based yun.
Yeah. It's guys, they're not
But it's
posting it
just
in Tagalog.
Ah.
Sa alam ko regional based yun Like the thing they're showing is just for Filipinos.
Talaga?
Ah.
Like,
Yeah, alam ko
So
may
yung-
ganyang feature kasi.
I don't know. Well, I hope so. Because if not, that's so funny. International people are like, what the hell is this?
Let me
If you
log
check
on
the
to
comment
my
section
dummy
and they're
account.
like, what the hell
Puro
are you
tag-
saying? It's like,
Well, actually, hindi ko pa nga nakita yun. Yeah.
Puro Filipino lang din. But
yeah, kasi
you're right,
if it's
Mario.
mostly Filipinos there, you'll understand na parang sa Filipino lang nakakita nun, man.
Wow.
When-
Let
when
me
I'm
log
in-
into my dummy
When I'm in
account.
Hong Kong, I don't see any of those posts.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Sorry, si bakehouse, egg tart.
Yung egg tart.
Bakehouse egg
I
tart.
only see egg tarts. I see Hong Kong Disneyland. I don't see nothing about no Filipino FIFA
Yeah.
posts, bro.
You're
But
right.
going back to this.
to your point about the learning experience, it will be good if yung Filipinos mismo is tatanggapin nyo na sa learning experience. Parang iba kasi pinagtatawanan pa na, talo kayo ng 53 sa Australia. I'm not saying we're gonna lose by 53, but yeah, it's very possible with this roster. Pero, di ba, imbis na you pick up the positives, kadalasan minamak pa nila yung effort ng country. So see yung against New Zealand, I rarely parang 20% lang yung comment na, we almost won against them. Everyone was roasting Justin Brownlee and RJ Barrientos, di ba? So it will be a great learning experience if we take it as, a learning experience
Opportunity.
kind of game. Pero if we take it as a game na dapat nanalo tayo against Australia, hey, get out of here, man. It's not gonna work. It is just not gonna
Just
work.
reality, guys. Let's be real
It's
naman about that.
let's just man, I mean, I'm serious. When the Lakers faced OKC in the second round,
Alam mo nang
I
ano
know
na
we're
masisweep.
gonna lose. I know we're gonna lose, so I wasn't shitting on them na, but di man lang kayo nakaisa sa OKC. I mean, they're defending champs, so you see, we're not gonna win against Australia. If we win, I'll be very happy. I'm not gonna make a stupid bet because I'll not be rooting against Gilas ever. Pero at hindi talaga nitong lineup na to. Man. Again, I don't think it's a passport thing or it's a cost-saving thing na ba't padadala nyo sila Pepper sa Pilipinas tapos dito.
Pepper injured ata siya.
No, I mean, Pepper and the crew na parang Team C, Team D ng Australia. Tapos, dito sa Australia, palala rin sila Bryce Cotton. Hey, Bryce Cotton, beaches here are nice, you know? So, you should have asked
Yeah.
should have asked your foreign
Yeah, that's
affairs
fine, dude.
to let you in here. But man, it's going to be tough. Ang hirap i-game plan, parang utilize ba natin height natin, gamitin ba natin si Junmar? I mean, good luck with that. Do we play small? All right, good luck with that.
Come on, bro, come on.
Like, okay, all right. Do we give Bryce Cotton the Justin Brownlee treatment? Like, he can only score less than 10 points, the rest will explode. Good luck with that. There's no
Good luck with
there's
that.
No option, man.
That's why.
There is no option.
That's why.
Parang yung skit nung no RDC World, parang, alright, sige, kaya natin yung Team USA. We're gonna double step. Alright, what about KD?
Yeah, I know that one. I know that one.
Alright, what about LeBron? Alright.
Yeah, shout out RDC World, man. That's a lot.
Alright, di ba parang, it's crazy, but, you know, it is what it is. It's FIBA. It's what they did to us. Imagine us just being against, what, China or Jordan or something.
Yan yung mga games. Like, if you lose to China, Jordan,
Chinese
Japan,
Taipei.
Chinese Taipei, yung mga ganyan, yan yung manghihinayang ako. 'Di ba? Kasi, ano yun eh, medyo, even yung Japan, I would still say na manghihinayang ako. Kasi kaya kahit pa paano eh.
Used to. Not anymore.
I would say now, kaya pa naman. Japan isn't as good as they used to be either. But anyway, but then like, yung mga gantong level na Australia, Germany, US, France, it's like expecting Justin Brownlee to outplay Victor Wembanyama. Diba? Come on, dude. Come on. No, it's fun.
Well, it's gonna be tough on
Ito but then again, if they end up winning, or if they end up
Oh.
keeping it close, we're not gonna be mad about it.
That's true.
We want it to be close, okay? We want them to win. Pero there's such a big difference between blindly supporting and hoping that something happens. Iba yun. And I'm so tired of it, man. I'm so
May mga magko-comment pa niya, sabi, bakit pag Ginebra kahit hindi naman kaya yung TNT, nagana kayo. I mean, that's different. Nobody comments that. It's just, my imaginary
It's just you.
haters.
So ikaw lang.
My imaginary haters. Like,
when did anybody say that? All right, Graham.
but yeah, I mean, it's different,
Invisible
We're
demons.
hoping. Yeah, we're hoping.
Just fighting as
Yeah,
invisible
man.
demons, dude.
Not gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's crazy. What do you think the reaction will be pag tinalo natin yung Australia? I think that's
Hey man, if they win, they win. I'm so happy that they win. They finally beat they beat a super strong team. That's a good thing.
Pro
Pero
FIBA
kung
will have
lang-
content for the next 2 weeks, Like really,
Yeah.
really.
How did this player win?
Pilipinas, ganyan, win down the wire, tapos the next day, in case you miss it,
Okay, Tapos yung
Parang
day
yung,
after nun,
parang yung paglipat
Justin
ni LA
Brownlee
Tenore
highlight.
parang paglipat ni LA Tenore sa Magnolia. Araw-araw spin.ph yun yung
Okay,
article.
yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Like, we beat them, please. I mean, give us a chance.
It'll be fine.
If it's a 20-point game with 7 minutes remaining, I think we have a chance.
Ano? If it's a what?
20-point game, 7 minutes remaining. Right?
Man, I just hope that wag lang sila mapahiya. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like, at least show a good game or show na make kahit papaanong palag. Yun lang yung gusto ko sana. Like, show na we have a KQ. Show we have a Carl. Show we have a Juan Gomez de Liano. Show we have an RJ Barrientos. May names tayo and may skill tayo. Huwag naman tayo mabalibag ng 50 sana. I hope not. That would be kind of
Pero hindi maawa sa atin to man. May bad blood tayo against Australia. I
Siyempre,
don't think they're over that.
nagpapagsuntukan tayo dun eh.
Diba? I don't think we're over that.
We're over that, they're over that. Oh, both. I don't think
They're over that. Yeah, I don't think they're over that. We're over that. Diba?
it matters, man. But
It does matter to them.
that's how it be in this world.
Alright, well, sana.
Yeah. All we can say is sana.
If it's a blowout, what's a win for you?
15?
What's a 15?
What's a win for me? If
Pag blowout.
Dwight, if Carl, KQ, and Juan and RJ,
I mean, spread-wise.
like numbers,
Oo. 15 is kinda...
I would say like 12. Ako 12.
12? Wow,
Yeah.
what 20 man eh.
I would say like 12. 20? Grabe naman. The last time we played them, what was the final score?
Yung sa yung sa Saudi Arabia eh.
What did we
Gilas-
just play these
no,
guys?
no, no. Sa MOA pala.
Yeah,
Nilabanan natin sila. February yun eh.
Check ko, wait.
What was the final score, man?
We only lost by, that one was 27. That's why I
I
said
guess
12.
Team C. At
Yeah,
home.
12. Hey, come on. 12.
Nah,
That
20.
was a very different, I would say na yun nga, basta Carl, KQ, Juan, RJ, yung mga ganun. Basta magpakita sila ng na kaya nila. Go yun, okay lang sa akin. Plus, let's be honest, they barely got blown out in that one nung first half. They were only down 5 in the first half. I think napag-iwanan lang sila nung third quarter tapos yung fourth quarter lalo. But they lost the fourth quarter by 12. So technically they were losing by 15 entering the fourth. That's not that bad. You know what I mean? Basta wag lang sila mapahiya na natalo sila ng mga 50. Okay lang. I mean, that's that they show a good.
Oh, at
Basta they have a
lumaban till
good
the
show.
end. Yeah.
Yeah, basta they have a good showing, I'll be okay with it. They can lose by 20 as long as it looked like they tried really hard. Hindi yung mukha silang. You remember there was a time when there was a Gilas team that beat I forgot if it was like Laos or Timor-Leste by like 80 something points. Yun yung Kobe Paras, Juan Javi team, Ray Suerte. I forgot what league it was. Pero there was a time that
games, yung nagka-countdown sila na sarili na shot clock.
Hindi, iba yun.
Iba pa yun.
I think U19 siya. Basta may mga ganun na they lost the game by like 70 or 60 yung kabilang team. Yan yung parang I'll feel bad or I'll say it was a bad game. Pero if they show na kahit pa paano pumapalag sila, fine with it.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, sino yung kalaban ng Argentina kagabi? Cape Verde ba yun?
Argentina?
Yeah, sa World Cup. Like, it was 3-2. Diba?
Yeah.
It was a widespread. So, have that mentality, but different game. This is a way
Alright.
better team than us. Good luck though.
Alright, good luck to Gilas. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. May isa tayong recording bukas, diba? Kung may mga trades na nangyari. Thank you so much guys for listening. See you all next time. See you on post-game. May post-game kami on July 6.
Yeah.
Peace.
Mali yung nalagay ko sa schedule. Sorry guys. Yeah.
Basta yun. Bye-bye.